Hello, all my lovers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is long overdue, but about 2 months ago, I put up a video telling you guys that I was gonna start using this repair oil from Teami Tea to help with my dark spots. Now, you guys know that I have very oily skin, and so at first I was very skeptical of actually putting any oil on my skin, especially because I have acne-prone skin. I've been using their repair oil for about 2 months, and this is supposed to help reduce dark spots, sun damage, and if you have eczema, it's supposed to really help with that as well. And so I'm gonna show you pictures from before, and now this is my face with no face makeup on. So I personally think that it has actually really helped my skin, especially because I've been traveling, I've been out in the sun. Yes, I've been wearing sunscreen, but I do think that my sunspots and my dark spots have actually got a lot better. I want you guys to come in close to my face and see what you guys think, but for me, I think it's worked. All right, so come on in, I wanna show you the results. During my travels, I actually was in Florida and I found out that the Teami headquarters is in Florida, and I actually got to meet the CEO of Teami Tea. And it was really exciting to sit down with her because I saw the passion she has for coming out with products that just better her customers' lives. And she just said that her goal with every product that she comes out with is to be all natural. And I mean, it's hard to find all natural skincare products. And look at, I mean, do you ever see products that you can actually see what's inside of them? No. And while I was there, she actually introduced me to her third tea-infused face oil, and this one's called Glow. It's now time to test out the glow to make sure my skin is glowing. So this one has rose and cinnamon in it. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll try it on camera with you guys for the first time. But have you guys ever heard of rose water? So I've used rose water on my face before, and it helps a lot. It just kind of makes your skin glow, and it helps with inflammation. It kind of makes your complexion more even. And so there's rose in this and cinnamon, which also helps reduce acne, inflammation, and dark spots. So it's kind of like an all-in-one, which is really cool. And you can like see a whole chunk of cinnamon right there. Should we put it on my face? I think yes. So I washed my face, and I have no face makeup on. So obviously, first thing you always wanna do is cleanse your face. I'm like a little teeny bunny. All right, so first thing you wanna do is wash your face with your cleanser. Then, do like 2 drops in your hand. I wonder if this one smells. Oh my gosh. Just imagine cinnamon and rose mixed together. Well, that's exactly what's in this bottle. So you just put a few drops in your hand, like so, warm it up, and then put it all over your skin. You always want to go in upward motions. And you know what I've been doing actually? Is putting it on my neck and my chest, because your neck and your chest are the first areas of aging. So always want to go up. You know those wrinkles you get in your neck? This will help prevent that. Oh, I can't get over how good it smells. I do see my skin getting a little bit red right here, kind of where my dark spots are. So hopefully that's a sign that it is working, doing its magic with my skin, so that after a month of use, my skin will be glowing. So in 1 month, I will come back and like, whoa! I almost dropped it. In 1 month, I will come back and let you guys know what I think of Glow. And if you happen to miss my Soothe results, I will put that link in the description box below. But thank you guys all so much for tuning into this video, and thank you Teami Tea for just really helping my skin clear up. I love you guys. Let me know if you have any other products you want me to review. And I'm kind of obsessed with these little bunny ears. But I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.